Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check if your Samsung phone is original or fake using the IMEI method. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap About Phone. Here, you'll find your phone's IMEI number. Tap on it to copy the IMEI. Next, open your browser and search for Samsung Device Registration. Open the official Samsung website and sign in to your Samsung account. Once you're signed in, tap Start Registration, then select Phone. After that, paste your IMEI number into the required field and click Register. Your model code and IMEI will be displayed. Now, click Go to My Product. If your Samsung phone is genuine, your device information will appear on the screen. This is one of the easiest ways to verify whether your Samsung phone is original or fake using its IMEI number. That's it for this video. Thanks!